What's up everyone, it's Kyle from Ante. Today I'm going to show you how to layer 2 colors of Oracal 651 using registration mark. This video is a clip from our Facebook Live from 2 weeks ago. Hope you enjoy. Alright, so I'm going to layer the green on top of the yellow because I need this to fit into here. This will hang off of this.
Alright. Hi, Angie. Carly said I'll teach the adult stuff anytime.
Alright, squeegee this.
Squeegee less. No squeegee.
Here we go. So what I did was I applied the transfer tape, but I made sure there was enough transfer tape hanging off to get the whole thing when it's done. I'm gonna peel this off quickly.
Hi, Michelle. Squeezy.
Alright, so then I peeled it off. I'm going to put this back on, just exposing just the registration marks. I'm going to take this and cover the rest of the sticky part too.
What transfer tape are you using?
This is the Oracal transfer tape MT80P. I have no idea why they called it MT80P, but it's like military. I don't know. But it's clear. It comes with a paper backing. So I'm just going to line it up right on top there. Flip this back. Remove that out of the way.
Oh, nice.
Bam. And there you go. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when we have future videos.